Hi, I'm Vijay. I'm going to talk about MealSquire. Um, Thanks for joining the MealSquire Help Guide. So what we are going to do today is we are going to see how a nutritionist or a dietitian can import the existing meal plan that they have into the MealSquire. So in this demo, we are going to see how a nutrition how they can import their existing meal plan, something like this, into MealSquare very easily. So for this, nutritionists can go into the mealsquare.com. On the left side, when they scroll down, they can see an option, AI import. So in this page, you can see there's an template that's clearly given how they can create a format, the meal plans in this format. Let's say a meal plan template is given here. It says early morning, what are the foods that the nutritionists are prescribing. They can say the breakfast options 1, 2, they can put or, and they can create in this format. The template that I have taken is something like this: early morning, what is then the part of the meal plan; breakfast, what are the options for breakfast; midday, mid morning; lunch, evening snacks, etc. Right? So what I'm going to do is assume that a nutrition already has his meal plan, how he can easily bring into the MealSquare. So he or she can quickly copy this and bring this into this AI import page, the paste meal plan document. So I'm going to just copy and paste it here, and I'm going to use AI to parse it. So this is going to take some time, so probably a minute or so. So what happens behind the scene is the AI will transform, it will read this content, it will transform the meals into meal pools. So it's going to create a pool of meals. So for the breakfast, it probably will create that many number of foods that's listed in the meal plan into the MealSquare system. So that's what is happening behind the scene. I'll show you the output after this parsing is done. A is parsing the meal plan. So as the outcome, it's going to create the meal pools for us into the system. So you can see here the parsing is successfully completed. So it has created early morning pool. So where these foods are listed here. So this is a big breakfast food pool. So you can see egg white, brown bread, skim milk. So you can also see the calories displayed here. So likewise, this is a full list combinations of food items that are grouped together. This is all part of the meal plan that we pasted. You can see the mid morning snack pool, everything. So it's created all the needed meal pools for us. So meal pool is nothing but it's just a grouping of the food items. So evening snack pool is nothing but the group of foods that the client can take it as an evening snack. So at the end, you'll see the name. You can give any name that is convenient for you so that you can remember it. So I'm going to give it as an Indian weight loss non-veg meal plan. So let's name it like that. So it's easy for me to track the food. So this is meant for weight loss, right? So let's confirm and import. So what's this is going to do is it's actually going to push the meal pools into the system. So if I open here, you can see this is the meal plan editor. What actually the system has done is it took your actual meal plan, it's spread it across all 7 days. This is mainly for 7 days plan. You can see for the breakfast what are the options that is creating. You can also see mid-morning snacks, lunch, right, and you can have snacks. So you can see here the options, all the options are imported here. All right, so all that you can do is, if something that you doesn't like it, so you can see here, because it's an AA system, it's saying cooking oil. So if I go here, right, so what we said is salad plus oil. So it is separately saying it as a cooking oil. So because for the salad, we are adding the oil, so it's adding it chicken. So this is for dinner option, one of the dinner option. So the dinner option that's shown here is pan grilled fish. So you can see fish, salad, and oil. That's what it says: pan grilled fish, vegetable salad, and cooking oil. So it's all put together. It creates a meal plan for the client. So you can review all the imported meal plan one by one, and then if you guys are okay with that, set the target here, set the cuisine type. It's all Indian based food items. This plan is given by Dietitian Rushali Patel. So I'm going to create or publish this meal plan. Okay, that's it. So it is as simple as that. If you see here in the my meal plans, this is the meal plan that we just created. So if I open this, you can see the weight loss plan that we created. All those meal plan is here. So I can now use this meal plan that I created to assign it to the client. I will explain that later, how to assign it to the client. But for now, you can go to the meal pool and you can see the meal pool that we just generated. So if you open this meal pool, and this is Indian weight loss non-veg meal plan early morning pool. If you open this meal pool, you will see the items as part of the early morning, and here you can see the combination. There's one combination where the dietitian is asked to have all these things as part of one combination. So likewise, if you guys can go back to the meal pools, if you want to see the breakfast, what we have just created, so we have created this one. I'm just getting into the meal pool, and there are so many items that's listed as part of the breakfast. So in the meal pool combination, you can see a white egg, brown bread, skim milk, everything put together as one meal combination. So you can pick this combination and assign it or use it as part of meal plan. So that's how you can actually import the existing templates or existing meal plan that you have. Nutritionists might be having such free-flowing meal plan in Word format. So feel free to copy that and paste it in this window, and then try to import it with AA, have a quick review, and then publish your meal plan. So that way, the imported meal plans will be available here. We can go and you can see I have created so many meal plans. It's all using the AA import, and it all will be listed under my meal plan window. Wish you guys all the best. In case of any more clarification needed, please write a mail to info@bitesquare.com, and we will be happy to help you with that. Thank you.